Hello guys, what's up? Are you looking for the best Samsung QLED TVs? These are the best Samsung TVs we found so far. Q80B QLED 4K Smart TV. Enjoy smooth, high-quality movies, sports, gaming, and more with the Samsung Q80B 65-inch class HDR 4K UHD Smart QLED TV. The onboard quantum processor upscales your content to 4K UHD resolution, and Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus technology helps ensure that fast action appears smooth. Auto Game Mode with Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM. Key features: 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160. Quantum Dot LED panel HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG support. Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus. Built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity. Q Symphony. Available in 50, 55, 65, 75, and 85-inch sizes. Q80T QLED TV. The Q80T looks much like any other Samsung QLED. There's nothing wrong with the specs of the connections either. The 4 HDMI inputs support the key features of HDMI 2.1, such as eARC, VRR, and HFR. 4K HDR streaming is available via the likes of Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and Apple TV+. Specifications: screen size 55 inches, also available in 49, 65, 75, 85-inch sizes. Type: QLED backlight, direct LED. Resolution: 4K HDR format supported, HDR10, HLG, HDR10+. Operating system: Tizen. HDMI inputs: 4 ARC/eARC, eARCO optical output. Reasons to buy: excellent contrast and colors, 3-dimensional and detailed, solid, spacious sound. Reasons to avoid: occasionally overcooks colors, slightly exaggerates film grain.